Hi everyone, my name's Akshay.
And today I'm going to show how you can create a very simple automation of sending your newly signed up users a welcome email via Seer. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to use Postgres in Supabase as the source of trigger. So let's begin.
Let's first start by creating a simple workflow. In the recent launch of Seer, we have added a couple of integrations and triggers, including Supabase. Let's start by connecting Seer with Supabase first. Since Seer works on the principle of least privilege, you can see
Most of the time it would only ask for read-only access to your databases.
let's see, once the auth is configured,
We can move on to connecting our DLs.
cool, I see auth has been configured.
Seer can figure out which project and which table in Supabase contains my data.
Cool. And as you can see,
Uh, at the moment, it supports a variety of updates. Say if you want to receive updates on whether a user information or a specific table has been updated or deleted.
but for the sake of the demo, we'll just focus on instance. Yep, and that's it.
Let's save the trigger and let's move on to adding our next block. Next thing, we'll add a simple LLM block. And the goal of this block would be, just to summarize, they're added. Say, year of Ethan, change, experience, also at acting. And
Time from to publish,
and we can specify the inputs by selecting inputs.record. Note that if we want to track if when the user is deleted or updated, you can use a old record key to fetch the previous object before Supabase overrides it.
help to write a simple
When so email is human.
just select
Default temperature of 0. I don't want any creativity. Also, with the recent update, our LLM block also supports structured outputs. For instance, let me try to create a few feeds, such as to email, whom is this email last, to in the body, in message. That's also include a title. Say I want to say humorous email title. That's it. I'll save the LLM block with this config. And finally, I want to draft an email before I even send it.
this is one pain that I've experienced, and I've had some of my clients experience too. Oftentimes we just
don't want to shoot AI slop, but maybe have a QC.
we can achieve that by using Gmail's create draft tool. Hence, it'll create a draft of that email, which I can review, and depending upon how I
like it, I can act on it. And again, since Seer by default expects the least privileges, notice that it only asks me for managing draft and sending in as a request.
plugins. Cool. Let's now try to
Configure the last part. So I want to send my
email Let's start by an LM. I wanna send this, this title. I think we are good. See, I'm curious why this connected part is not showing up. Let me check my settings. Seems like I already have privileges. For email controls. Oh, I think it was a caching this went today. Cool. That being said, I'll use this icon to publish my workflow, and now the workflow is live. Now let's try to test it. I will try creating a new user in the Supabase table. And bingo. Note that this is my email client. There is no draft as of now. Let's wait. It takes a couple of seconds for the email trigger to run. Cool. Let's see now.
Okay. I think one of the runs passed. In
Outputs. Where? File. Input an email.
and a draft should have been created.
Let's see. Cool. There you go. See, I finally created a draft. Use who enough. Well, that's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share, and if you have questions, please don't hesitate reaching out. My name's Akshay, and this is Seer.